First up, forget those same old specialty restaurants. Use that credit for something way cooler, like having bottles of water delivered to your cabin before you even set sail. Next, snap up some ship photos. Bring home all those sun-soaked memories without the squinting selfies. Smile, feeling fancy? Treat yourself to a spa day. Nothing says vacation like a deep tissue massage while gazing out at the open sea. Ah, relaxation achieved. Need to get to the port? Some lines let you use your credit for transportation. No stress, just smooth cruising. And for the adventurous souls, how about an excursion? Explore new places, try new things, and make the most of your trip. Remember, cruise credits aren't just for splurging. They're for enhancing your adventure. Bon voyage!